For this tutorial, you'll need a double egg tray, an 8x10 picture frame with the white border, a glass bowl, cardstock, color of your choice, black spray paint, I'm using Rust-Oleum, and you'll also need scissors. So I'm just starting off by spray painting my egg tray with the Rust-Oleum semi-gloss spray paint. And you do need 1 to 2 hours to dry. So I'm starting off by using the top of the glass bowl to measure the inside of the egg tray. And I'm using the silver metallic sparkly cardstock. I'm just going to trace the top of the bowl. Then you'll begin to cut around the edge of the circle with your scissors very carefully. Voila, magic! It fits perfectly, and your egg tray instantly became a fingernail polish holder. We're going to start off by opening up the prongs on the back of the picture frame so we can remove the backing and the insert. You're going to also remove any unnecessary materials that you're not using in your workspace. We're going to go ahead and start to create our own template for our picture frame by using the 8x10 insert that came in the picture frame. So now that the template is cut out, you're going to find placement for where you want your decal to go and use a marker or a pen to mark it and press pretty hard to leave an indentation in the paper, which will be your guide for where you're going to place your sticker. So now I'm just going to use my transfer tape, and I'm using a razor blade to inch the edge up off of the backing. I'm going to use my scissors to press firmly so it can slide up. And using my indentation in the paper that I made, I'm going to lay my decal. I'm going to press really firmly so that the transfer tape can slide off as easy as possible. So now it's time to put the backing back onto the picture frame. But before we do, we're going to remove that ugly metal. And I'm using my razor blade to do so. But be really careful because the blade is super sharp. So now we're just going to go ahead and close up our picture frame, close all the prongs on the end, and there we have it, a tray instead of a picture frame. Now for our last and final hack, we're just going to start by outlining the bottom of the plastic tray. Now it's time to cut out outline using our scissors. So we're going to start with our Loctite adhesive spray. You're going to spray just even coverage and place the insert face down and push hard. And these steps will be followed for the next 2 sections as well. Of course, I had to add some bling because it looked pretty plain without it. So I took a strip and pre-measured. Using my fingers as a guide, cut any excess off. And I'm going to do the second one the same exact way. But instead, I'm just going to use the first one as a guide and cut any excess off. Now I'm just going to lay and press all the way down. Lay and press all the way down.